Hello everyone. Today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. How to enable emoji keyword in Windows 11 using the touch keyboard is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by right-clicking our taskbar, which opens up the taskbar settings. Left-click that. Now, once you're here, under taskbar corner icons, you want to go down to touch keyboard. Always show touch keyboard icon. Now for me it's never. You want to turn this always? So it's blue. Now you can close this off. Now as you can see in the bottom right of your screen on your taskbar, you see this touch keyboard thingy. Now left click that, which will open up a keyboard on your desktop. Now, in order to get an emoji keyword, you want to click this hard thingy in the top left of the keyword. Now you can already see the emojis and gifts and all these things. Now you want to click the emoji button. And as you can see, you have an emoji keyboard in Windows 11. We can now use this to write some emoji text. Not sure if? Yeah. As you can see, you can do hearts and all these things. That's essentially how you get your emoji keyboard in Windows 11. If this video helps you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.